Hi everyone. Harry was off the tree by now, so that just left the hare bear here. Oh, and Woody. Woody was on the tree, but he was up top. This one loves being involved. She loves playing. She's no pushover though, she's quite feisty, which is good in this garden.
No.
There's Harry. Never one to pass up on an opportunity to try and escape. I love watching them at this age. With the regular cats, they all seem to get to a year or so and they lose their playfulness and they just settle down to a regular cat life. Breakfast, sleep, biscuits if we can get any, and then dinner times. They have their moments, but with the blind cats, I mean, William's 5 now and he loves playing. He'll come out for a walk, he'll go up a tree now and again. They don't lose that playfulness. I love having them around. You know, I've had cats since I was a child, so they've always been around. If I don't have many regrets in life. I think if there was one, it would be that I never knew about blind cats before. For me, they've completely changed my outlook. It's been a life changer. Anyway, the day was nearly over. That's Molly coming down the garden, and we were all heading back to the kitchen for me to do dinner. So a short video this time, but we will see you all again soon.